Have you ever heard of someone being arrested for loving bicycle bells too much? Meet Tom, a passionate cyclist with a fascination for collecting and ringing unique bicycle bells throughout his neighborhood. His harmless hobby took an unexpected turn when local authorities detained him for disturbing the peace due to excessive noise. This arrest ignited a wave of support from the cycling community, who rallied to defend Tom's passion for biking culture. The narrative highlights the clash between personal hobbies and regulations, emphasizing the community's role in advocating for individual expression and the cultural value of cycling.